fire gun, blow and torch. These tools are great, easy to take and powerful and interesting. Let's find the answer here and make your job more smoothly. For professional blowtorch, it has auto ignition, high flame, and large gas capacity. It is usually used for heating or igniting. Its flame temperature can reach to 1350 degrees Celsius. With so high temperature, you can use for lots of situation. Range of application: welding, baking, BBQ, igniting, workshop, kitchen, camping, automotive maintenance and facility.